Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 4 of the topic, that is trigonometry. We already done 3 parts before. You can have a look at it. So we'll start from here. If 10a plus b is equal to root 3 and 10a minus b is 1 by root 3, so we have to find a and b. So it's given here 10a plus b is equal to root 3. And so what we can write over here, so where we have root of 3 and 10, that is 1060. So we can also write this as 10 a plus b, that in place of this root 3 we can write here 1060. So now when we compare this, so what will we write here? A plus b is equal to 60. So let us consider this as equation number 1. So now what is the other thing given? That 10a minus b is 1 by root 3. So 10a minus b is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, where do we get in 10? We get in 1030. So we can write this one, 10a minus b is 1030. So when we compare this and this, what we can see that a minus b is equal to 30. So this is the equation number 2. So now I'm adding 1 and 2. So what we get, that is, so equation number 1 is a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. So when we add this a plus b plus a minus b, we get here 60 plus 30. So this and this gets cut over here. So what we can write here, 2a is equal to 90 degree. So what will be a? A is 90. This is multiplication. So this is going to get divided by 2. So a is 45. So that if putting this a is equal to 45 in equation number 1, what we get? What is the equation number 1? A plus b is equal to 60. So a plus b is equal to 60. If we put here 45 in this place of a, we get b is 60 minus this 45, that will be 15. So now what we can see, that a is 45 and b is 50. So that is what they asked, the values of a and b. Now let us see the formulas first here, because based on these formulas we'll be having some questions over there. So now whenever there is sine 90 minus a, that is we have to write cos a. Wherever we see cos 90 minus a, that is going to be sine. See, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. And tan 90 minus a, that we can also write as cot a. Cot 90 minus a, that will be tan a. Then sec 90 minus a, that is going to be cosec a. If it is cosec 90 minus a, that is going to be sec a. See, this we can just make the pairs. So sec is here. So now look at here, 0 degree is going to be 0, and which is also cot of 90 degree. So sec 0 degree is 1, and that is also cosec of 90 degree. And this one, sec of 90, cosec of 0, and tan of 90 and cot of 0, this is not defined. So now let us see, we are going to see this problem. Evaluate tan of 65 degree divided by cot of 25 degree. So we'll start here. We know that cot of a is tan 90 minus a. So now what will we write here? In place of this a, we'll write here this 25. So cot of 25, that is going to be, wherever you see a, you are going to write, this is the formula. So you will write here in place of this, this all things same, in place of a, you are going to write here 25, because you are going to change this value, because now otherwise we cannot do directly, we cannot solve this problem. So that is, what is that? 90 minus 25 means that is going to be 65. That is, in place of cot 95, 25, you are going to write here 1065. So now look at here, you are going to write 1065. So what we can write here, 1065, the same thing over here. So this will be same, and place of cot 25, you are going to write here 1065. So this and this gets cancelled. So the answer is 1. So here it is given here, if sine 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, then you have to find the value of a. So now look at here, given what is that? Sine 3a is what? Cos of a minus 26, that is given over here. So let us consider that equation number 1. Now since 3a is what? Cos of 90 minus 3a. So in place of that theta, we are going to write here 3a. 90 minus theta, right? So that will be in place of that. So this is theta. So sine is cos 90 minus theta. So in place of that theta, we are going to write here 3a. So we can write this equation number 1. How can we write here? In place of here sine 3a, you are going to write here cos 90 minus 3, because sine 3a we got it, this one, cos 90 minus 3a. So which is same as this one. So we are going to write here cos a minus 23 as it 26 as it is. So now what we can see when you compare this and this, what we can say, that since 90 minus 3a and a minus 20 are both acute angles, so what we can write here, 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 26. So this minus 26, let us bring on this side, that is going to be plus 26. This will be as it is, and this a again here, and this will be plus. So now what we can write here, 116 is equal to 4a. So this will be divided. So when you divide this, you get 29. So a is 29 degree. Now you're going to, here they said evaluate cos of 48 degree minus sine of 42 degrees. So now again what we can write here, see here, because we cannot solve, this is cos and this is sine. So we can do one thing over here, because this is a smaller one. So we can change this. So what we can write here, cos 90 minus 42 is here minus sine 42. So cos 90 minus 42 we can write over here. So here what we can say for this one, we can say this cos of 90 minus this is theta. So that is going to be sine theta. Sine theta means this is theta. So here we have 42. So here we can write here sine 42, and this will be same here. So this and this is plus, this is minus. So that is going to be 0. Now look at here, cosec 31 and this is sec 59. So now this is a bigger number. So what we can keep, this will keep as it is. Now sec, so this is going to be 90 minus, because this is, we can make it to 31. So this is going to be, when you do it, you are going to get 59. So now this is cosec 31 minus sec becomes, sec 90 minus theta becomes cosec theta. This is theta. So this and this gets cut off, and this one will be 0. Now we have to show that cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree, sine 52 degree is equal to 0. So now let us write that what is the LHS? This thing is the LHS. So same thing written over here. So now what we can do here, this we'll write as it is, but in place of this 52, because we can write here 90 minus 38, sorry. So here this minus as it is over here. Now which is the bigger number, you can change this one. This will keep as it is. So we can make this to 90 minus 38. So that will be 52. So now what we can do here, now see when we are writing here, this will be as it is, but cos 90 minus theta means sine theta. Because this is theta means that will be 38. So this will be as it is. Then you know this one, sine 90 minus this is theta. Theta means that is 38. So that is going to be cos theta. So that is here cos theta. So that is 38. So now what we can do here, so cos 38 sine 38, and again here minus cos 38 sine 9. So both are the same. So we can cancel out this one. So answer is 0, and which is the RHS. Can you see here the RHS is 0. So that is proved. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So first thing, let us write that tan is equal to cot B. And then now we can change this to tan A will be as it is in terms of this tan. Cot is 1 by this one. So this will be cot is tan 90 minus B. So what, because why? Because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here we have cot B, right? So this is theta. So now what we can see when we compare this and this, what happens, because both are tan over here, A is equal to 90 minus B. So if we bring this minus B on this side, that is going to be plus B, and that is 90 degrees. So that is proved. So that is what they have asked. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So that is proved over here. If sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, where A is an acute angle, you have to find the value of A. So we have first thing, let us write this thing. If, so what is that? We have this one. Now what we can do, we can change this sec 4A to cosec 90 minus 4A. And this what we'll keep as it is, cosec A minus 20. So now what we can do here, We can also write this as cosec 90 minus this is theta, right? And this also is this, or we already have over here, that is a minus 20. So cosec 90 minus theta will be what? Sec theta. So here what will we write here? So this is already written over here. Okay. So now when we compare this and this, what will we do here? 90 minus 4a, that is a minus 20. And this minus 20, when it comes here, that is going to be plus 20. And this is a, and this minus 4a is going to be plus 4a. So now when we add this, that is going to be 110. And when we add this one, it is going to be 5a. So 110, this is multiplication. So this is going to get divided, that is a. And when you divide this one, you are going to get 22. That is degree, and so a. So we can also write that a is 22 degree. That is what they have asked, find the value of a. So see that the formulas are very important. You can have a look at the formula later. So if a, b and c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to cos of a by 2. So now first thing what we will write here, in triangle ABC, because this is interior angles of a triangle. So whenever the interior angles, this is a triangle, the sum should be 180. So now what we can write here, a plus in triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to 180. So now we have here b plus c by 2. So what we can do, first thing, we can just write this b plus c over here. So that will be 180 as it is. And if this goes on the other side, that is going to be minus a. But we want here b plus c by 2. So when we write this b plus c by 2, this is extra. So here also there should be change. Here also you have to write divide by 2. So that is what is written. The numerator will be as it is. So now what we can write here, b plus c by 2, b plus c by 2, this one here. But now see here, 180 divided by 2, that is going to be 90. And this will be minus a by 2. Hope you got this one. So now what we can say that sine. So now did you get here, b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a by 2. So what we can write here, that is sine. First thing, sine b plus c by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus a by 2. So now what we can write here, this will be as it is. So sine 90 minus theta, that is going to be cos theta. So that is, what is theta here? This is a by 2. So now we can also, I have written the formula also here, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So that is proved. So hope you got this one. So by this one, we have completed our today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.